Welcome back to the channel. Today is June 14th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest on Bigbear.Ai Holdings, ticker symbol BBAI, plus a trading strategy for those following this fast-moving AI stock. Let's start with the numbers. BBAI closed at $3.71 today, after opening at the same price, with intraday highs reaching $3.93 and lows at $3.67. The stock has seen significant volatility, with a 6.57% daily swing and trading volume at nearly 96 million shares. Over the past year, BBAI has delivered an impressive 173% return, rallying from a 52-week low of $1.17 to a high of $10.36. However, the stock is still well below its peak and has faced some recent selling pressure, down 3.13% from the previous close. Looking at the fundamentals, Bigbear.Ai has a market cap of $1.1 billion and reported trailing 12-month revenue of $159.9 million. The company remains unprofitable, with negative earnings per share of minus 86 cents and a profit margin of minus 143.7%. Technical indicators currently suggest BBAI is not in a favorable trading position, with a sell signal from several models. Despite this, analyst sentiment remains bullish, with 72% recommending a buy and a consensus 12-month price target of $4.83, implying a potential upside of over 30% from current levels. Forecasts for 2025 are mixed but lean optimistic. Some models predict BBAI could reach an average price of $7.33, with high-end targets as much as $14.65, which would be a 97% to nearly 300% gain from today's price. However, there are also low-end estimates that suggest the stock could drop sharply, so volatility is likely to remain elevated. Now, let's talk trading strategy. With BBAI's high volatility and mixed technicals, risk management is crucial. For aggressive traders, consider looking for a technical bounce if the stock holds above $3.70, targeting a move toward resistance at $4 or the analyst target of $4.83. Set a tight stop loss just below $3.67 to protect against a quick reversal. For more conservative investors, it may be wise to wait for a sustained move above $4 or a period of consolidation before entering, as the stock is still digesting its recent gains and could be sensitive to broader tech market moves. That's your BBAI stock update for June 14th, 2025. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how you're trading Bigbear.Ai in this dynamic market. See you in the next video.